All right, so the next thing we're going to do is add a sheet to our Excel file. So Excel files do support the ability to have quite a few different number of sheets in here if you need to have multiple different tabs or pages for them. One thing to note though is if you choose the CSV file format right here, if you check this box, then it will only pull the first sheet since it does not support having multiple different tabs with that file format. So something to be aware of there. But we can add a new sheet by clicking this button right here, and we can give the sheet a name. So I'm just going to call this tickets, but you can name this whatever you want. You can name it sheet 1 or loads or whatever you want. And after you create it, you could go ahead and change the name as well. And down here, we're in the sheet configuration section now. If we wanted to rename it, we could change the name right here. If we want to delete this tab, we can delete it up here, which will wipe everything. And then we've got some other configurations down here. So right now, this sheet is not having any data pulled into it. So it's a no data, i.e. kind of a cover page. So if you need to have like a front page where it has information on it or something, or a back page, you could do that. But we want to just have this be a single tabbed spreadsheet with all of our load information on the first page. So we're going to change no data to pull ticket data. And there are a few other options in here if you want to just pull reject loads or tickets with wait times. Those are some of the options that have been set up for this company. But normally you just want to pull everything. So let's go ahead and choose tickets. And then the next thing down here is we have our sheet content, which has the ability to put in extra headers, a repeated data section, and then a footer. And then further down, we have some of these custom settings that we'll cover later, the ability to do frozen cells, merge cells, things like that. But we're going to go ahead and in the next section, start creating some of the repeated data right here and work through that process.